guys, welcome back to Heiko's Garage. Today we're doing some home cleaning. Have you guys seen a toilet where you have a pesky hard water stain down in the toilet bowl and it won't come off with toilet bowl cleaner or scrubbing or a vinegar, and you just don't know what to do short of replacing this toilet bowl? Maybe you live in an area where you have really hard water. Maybe you have just moved into a rental and the toilet looks like that. Or you have a guest room and this guest room doesn't get used very often and this toilet just sits there and it develops this hard water stain. Here's the solution. Get yourself a scoring stick. This scoring stick is sold in every supermarket, Walmart, hardware store. You can get them anywhere. This has been around for centuries probably. In the box is a little stick. It's some sort of abrasive material that wears off. It is softer than your toilet bowl. So this is a glazed porcelain toilet bowl. This material is softer, so don't be worried that you're going to be scratching off the white. And after you have cleaned your toilet bowl already with other means, you disinfected it, you just grab this stick, put a glove on, and then just dip it into the water, make sure it's wet, and then start scraping around where you have the hard water stains and just keep scratching and they will come off. So you can see the stick wears off and leaves this residue behind. That's fine. Maybe you live in an area where you have a septic system and septic systems cannot handle harsh chemicals and bleach all that well. This is the perfect alternative. You keep your septic system happy and you still get rid of the stains. Don't be worried about sticking your hand in there. You have a glove on first of all. You have cleaned it before you do this. And you can wash your hands afterwards. You can even hear where there is still residue or where there is still water stains. It makes a louder noise than on a clean surface. Here's clean, and here is the stained surface. And once you're sure that you did it all, you flush. That gets rid of that residue, and then you can check there is a little bit of work to be done over here. Just do a final inspection. And you flush and you're done and your toilet looks like it's brand new, and the wife's gonna be happy when she comes home and sees that you cleaned the toilet. Just put it back in the box, it will dry off in there and you can keep it for the next time. And those sticks don't cost much. I will put a link down below in the description. If you like those short DIY home improvement, home cleaning tips, please let me know, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.